I have a new wagon by VEVOR that is making my life a whole lot easier. As a grandparent with two very active grandkids, this wagon has become an essential tool that I need every time we go out to the field when they're playing. And my grandkids, they love the different activities. They're involved in the soccer, which they absolutely love. They're also involved in competitive swimming, and they do a pretty darn good job of it, which means there's a ton of different activities that we're constantly going to. So if you're a parent or a grandparent, you need a wagon such as this. This wagon by VEVOR actually comes fully assembled. All you need to do is just open up the box top and slide it out, and it's fully assembled, ready to go. Its compact size means that it'll fit in the back of my small car very easily. You also get the manual. Should you need to contact the VEVOR company, here's the contact information right here on the first page. And you also have some safety information and the overall size of this wagon. And the storage capacity in the top section is 350 pounds. That's absolutely amazing. And there's some other features here listed that I'm going to go into a little bit more in detail. And here's the final page of the manual that shows you just how easy it is to be able to fold it and the size folded up. You have a Velcro strap right here. Just release that, open that up, and the wagon is ready to extend out to the full size. That's just how easy it is to fully extend and have this wagon ready to go. You also have this section right here that opens up, folds down flat, and gives you a lot more storage area. You can actually put a 10-foot by 10-foot canopy tent into this area. For my purpose, I put in 2 folding chairs into that bottom section, plus I use the top portion for the ice chest and other things that I need to bring. The wheels on this are massive. They're 7 inches by 4 inches, and they have the brakes on here. That's nice and a quick release. So this makes going over the rough terrain and the grass very, very easy. I love having the wheels of this size. This was one of the things that surprised me when I first opened up this box and looked at this wagon. Having 2 drink holders in this wagon is absolutely amazing. I love that. It's not necessary, but it certainly is a nice convenience to have these water bottle little holders right there. And what about this handle? You can fully extend it out and then rotate it down from the full vertical position down a full 90 degrees, and then collapse it back down when you're ready to store the handle and fold this up. You can also roll this wagon when it's completely folded up. The other nice thing about it is I can then just lift it, because it's not very heavy, and sit this right in the back of my small car. And then to get it out and set this up, just as easy. It's just easy to be able to pick this up and set it down. Now this handle is not part of the cover. This handle is actually part of the wagon itself. So when I'm ready to be able to remove this convenient cover, I can literally just slip it off. It does have a zipper that you can unzip right here. And I can store that in the car. Now this mat is important too. This has a Velcro strap right here that you can just let loose. And then this is ready to expand out. This is where the handle is, right here in the center of the compartment itself. And all you need to do to be able to fully assemble this is just push that down and it locks in place. Also, one of the features that I want to point out to you is that this is waterproof. Now I can take this and just unfold it and drop it right down inside. And I have a nice flat area to be able to store all my items. And of course, I've got 2 water bottle holders right there. Then I can take my ice chest if I want and put that right down inside of here. On the front of this, I have 2 pockets here that fit the water bottles just perfectly. And I can always restock it with the ice chest here, with the different ice, water, drinks, and anything else that I want to have in here. This handle pulls up, locks in place, and then it can pivot anywhere you want, from vertical all the way down 90 degrees and anywhere in between. Now, if we rotate this around on the back side, you also have this little door that drops down, and guess what? You can slide in there one of the 10 by 10 canopy type tents. But for me, I use these chairs for this area because I don't have a 10 by 10 tent. So I can slide my 2 chairs right in here and have plenty of room for other items as well. Now I'll just slide this one in for this way, for example. That works great. And just how easy is it to use on the grass? Well, couldn't get much easier. I love having those large 7-inch wheels. It makes it so easy to be able to pull it across the grass. As far as loading everything into the back of the car, well, I can just put the ice chest back in its location. Then I'll grab the 2 chairs on the bottom compartment, slip those out. And I'm going to take out that mat that's inside of the top portion along with the cover. And this, of course, folds up very easily. It's just a fan fold. And then just grab that center handle, pull straight up, and this whole unit will fold up very nicely. Now I'll spin it around. I'm going to take out the 2 water bottles. I'm not going to leave those in there. But just to show you one more time, just lift that center handle and it completely folds up. The handle will drop down into its location, and then I'll grab the 2 straps, pull it around the wagon itself, and be able to just use the Velcro strap now and tighten this down. Having this where it's completely fully assembled like this is really, really nice. VEVOR did an amazing job of designing this and making it where it's very, very convenient. And the last step, I'll just slip on the cover. The fan fold pad that goes inside of the wagon, well, it has a little storage compartment right here that it just slips into. Now I can just take this over to the car and put it into the back. Everything has a place, and this wagon actually fits perfect right here at the back portion of the car. Now keep in mind, this is a Hyundai Tucson. It's a very small, compact car, and everything fits in here very nicely. I have my ice chest, 2 chairs, and the VEVOR wagon. In the description below, I'll have a link to the site so that you can take a closer look at this double-decker wagon. In addition to that, I will have a discount code for you should you decide to purchase one of these. Now, over the years, I've had quite a few different products from the VEVOR company, and I've actually been very impressed with the products that they have offered, and I have shared a number of those different products with you on this channel. Now, if you'd like to see more of the product videos that I have done on the VEVOR products and other products, take a look at this selection right here to be able to see more. And I do thank each and every one of you for watching this video today, and I hope that you'll give a thumbs up and subscribe right down below. And if you did, I certainly appreciate it. It definitely helps the channel. So thanks a lot for watching this video today. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in the next video, whatever that may be. So for now, bye-bye everyone. See you real soon.